Namaste. My name is Sainath Shanbhag, and today is 13th February 2021. So, I have invented or come up with a Sanskrit programming language, and this video is about that. So, what happens with this development is that there are many children in India and abroad, maybe only in India, who are learning Sanskrit, and for them, this creates an avenue through which they will be able to develop software or work in software industry. So about 37 years back, 1985, I think 1985, an engineer or scientist in NASA, his name is Rick Briggs, he had come up with a paper, Knowledge Representation in Sanskrit and Artificial Intelligence. You may take a look at this paper. It's not very difficult to understand what he is trying to say, having in case you have a background in any of the Indian languages. But in the past 37 years, I have not seen any Sanskrit programming language yet. But in the same 37 years, a lot of programming language have come up in English, of which around 20 or so are more prevalent today. What is this programming language? Many of us, or almost all of us, might be using WhatsApp, Facebook, or Google, and we might use our local language or English to communicate and send emails, etc. This is not what programming language does is these tools like Google, Facebook, WhatsApp. These tools are developed using this programming language. Now, if you look at a grammar of Sanskrit, which is similar to many of the Indian languages, we see a comprehensive approach, a approach which includes a completeness, because of which what happens is that a well-defined syntax is found in that, which helps us to create a good programming language. Now, in English, what happens is because of lack of this a comprehensive grammar, we need to use indentation, brackets, and a kind of language which becomes difficult for a normal person to understand. When it comes to Sanskrit programming language, this kind of difficulty will not come, and there are several other advantages as well because of this. In case you want to teach your children this Sanskrit programming language, you may contact me at this number. You may kindly send a message rather than giving me a call, and I take a look at this number at least once or maybe once in 2 days, and I reply to most of them, or I will try to reply to all of them. So thank you. In the coming days, I hope to have some children take a look at this programming language and understand how, so they can use this as a tool to learn programming skills. The programming skills is almost the same, be it any language. You can use anything, any language, and this is a language which is close to your heart, close to many of us. And see you next time. Dhanyavad. Namaste.